Welcome back everyone. In this video, I want to show you the new update from Instagram where you are now allowed to schedule your live Instagram video. This is great for planning ahead and organizing yourself so you're ready for Instagram Live. To get this feature, make sure you update your Instagram from the App Store or your Play Store. So here I'll go into my App Store and search for Instagram. And as you can see, there is an update, so I'll go ahead and update my Instagram. Now once the update finishes, go ahead and open the Instagram app. Then tap on the plus sign to start Instagram Live at the top right. Select Live from the bottom. Now on this screen, you'll see this new option called Schedule. Tap on it. You'll come to this screen where you can schedule your live Instagram videos. So first, give this live video a title. Next, select your start time and your date. Then press done. Now tap on Schedule Live Video and this will schedule for the time and the date you have set. Instagram also allows you to share your scheduled live video as a story. Now to see your scheduled live Instagram video, go back to Instagram's main page, then tap on the profile tab at the bottom right. Just below your profile description, you should see all the scheduled live videos you have scheduled. Tap on one and here you can edit or share it as a post. You can also cancel it by tapping on edit and then press cancel live video. And that is how to use a new feature in Instagram where you can now schedule live videos. Hope you found this tutorial useful. If this was helpful to you, then please hit the like button and let me know in the comment section down below if this worked for you. Please consider subscribing and turn on bell notifications to see more videos like this. As always, thanks for watching and see you in the next one.